Dude, that's so close.
It's about to catch.
Let's go! Woo! Yeah! Woohoo! Damn, it is fuming in here. I am feeling it.
I'm hot.
I am in danger. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are going to be installing a new high-pressure fuel pump, or should I say rebuilt high-pressure fuel pump, into the Speed 6 to kind of get everything back on and back together to try to see if we can get this thing fired up. I don't know what I'm going to do if it doesn't, but we'll just have to wait and see through this episode what happens, so stay tuned. So you can tell that everything's kind of cleaned up. In the last few videos, you can see that the garage was just in disarray, stuff everywhere. You guys see this here, it's a high pressure fuel pump disassembled. Well, if you watch the last video, you'll see that, you know, that video is being filmed at the same time as this. But if you want to figure out how to rebuild a high pressure fuel pump with Michael Ray's Mazda parts O-ring kit and hardware kit, go check out the last video. I'll try to put a card up top for you guys to see. But I do have an already rebuilt pump with that kit right here that I had on the RX-8 down in Tennessee that they just sent up to me. So we're just going to put this one on the Speed 6 while we're finishing up rebuilding that one. I'll just use that for the RX-8. We're going to get the car back inside because I pushed it out to clean everything, and get this high pressure fuel pump on and hook up a couple wires that I have undone right now, and get this thing on a battery charger because it's probably a little low, and get ready to fire this thing. I'm really crossing my fingers that the new injectors and the high pressure fuel pump does it, but you know, I'm not certain. This is just another step forward to trying to figure out the problem. I'm crossing my fingers. I know a lot of you are too. I don't know what I'll do if it doesn't. We just got to keep pressing forward. If anything, it's just another thing crossed off our list of things that were going to need to be done anyway. So yeah, strap in, guys. I hope to have some positivity in this video for you. I know you all have been waiting and kind of cheering me on, which is awesome. It keeps me motivated, and I really appreciate that, guys. So let's jump into the video. All right, guys, just putting the cam housing on. Getting that all started so I can drive these bolts in. What's nice is that the Ray's Mazda parts kit comes with new hardware. So they're all real nice Allen headed bolts, and gets rid of those security Torx little keys on the other one. But real nice kit, super good quality, and very good packaging, so makes it really easy to keep yourself organized and to figure out what O-ring goes to what. I'm gonna tighten these up, and we'll slide the actual pump housing on and get that secure. When you guys do this, if you have a wire tuck harness or any harness really, you want to make sure that you get all the wires where you need to have them beforehand, so that it doesn't interfere with what you're doing. So I have one wire here that's in the way. All right, guys, high pressure fuel pump is on. Just got to button up the ground and the resistor that's down in here somewhere. I got to get all that buttoned up, but I'm going to get that stuff on, and then I'll catch you guys back because we still have to pull the old oil filter off and get the new oil filter on before we put new oil in it. And then I think we'll be ready to go. That Turbski. So just getting this filter filled and coated. About to put this thing on.
Hey, tell them how easy it was to take your old filter off.
Dude, I don't know if I was just really mad that day or just really strong. I'm not sure, but that filter was on there. I had to go buy a filter wrench because I don't have one. Usually I can just get them off. But dude, that sucker was on there.
Yeah, the fact that you were under there, it sounded like you were bench pressing like 450.
Yeah.
And it wasn't even budging.
Yeah, so regardless, it's off, and we're putting this one on, and then we're gonna fill this thing up with oil. Corey just got the intake on and button up the last couple things for the high pressure fuel pump. The only thing we gotta do is take the bolt off the other housing so we can bolt the vacuum block on, and we should be good to go. So I'm gonna put this on, fill it full of oil, and we'll jump back to just checking our stuff. Probably turn this to
1.21 gigawatts.
1.1 gigawatts.
Oh! Oh!
I think we need to give it a little bit more juice.
Just no backfire.
I know.
Ah! Yeah! Come on!
A little bit more battery, dude. A little bit more battery. We need to let it like just... Dude, that's so close.
It's about to catch.
Let's go! What's smoking though?
Catch can.
Catch can? Let's just hope that's cranky. Yo, if this fires... Bro.
I can't do a backflip, but I would
can't do a backflip either, but I'll do something.
do a somersault.
Somersault. Yeah, let's see if it has enough juice. Your foot to the floor.
You gonna hit the gas?
All the way, yeah. Let it out. There's a lot of smoking.
Yeah, this is, you crank it, the lights, I don't think the battery's strong enough right now. As weird as that, watch what happens.
With the lights, yeah, they go dim. Yeah. Hold on, let me try something. Okay, I feel like we're so close. It may sound kind of the same on the camera for you guys, but it is like right there. In the last one we just did, I don't even know if we filmed it. I don't think we did. But it was the first time I've ever seen the RPM gauge move while cranking, and it sounded way better. So it may just be trying to bump its own compression up now that there's no leaking. Maybe there was some leaking going on past the injectors. The smoking that's coming out from the catch cans, if you guys think about it, if it's not firing and it's just cranking, there's a lot of unburnt fuel going on. So the vapor from it has got to escape somewhere, and my whole crankcase is vented, so it's going to come up out of somewhere. So it is close. I feel like we're just, down on voltage. We just got to let the battery charger just sit on it for just like 5-10 minutes and give it a whirl, because I feel like it's right there. Right there.
It's right there.
That RPM moving was like a glimmer of hope, dude. I've never seen it.
It wants to catch.
It doesn't sound empty turning like it did before.
No.
Every turn is a thud.
Yes.
It's
a heavy thud.
It almost just sounds like the battery's low. Like if your Jeep were to have a low battery, or you left the light on. What are you doing? This ain't it's wet out, dude. Come on, man. You're killing me, Smalls. Killing me. Just over there having a party. It's like 40 degrees out, dude. Sit down. I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it, man.
Throw it in the mud.
Corey, go in your Jeep and give it more throttle.
More?
Yeah. More? Come on.
Eventually.
Come on. Come on, keep going, keep going. Yeah! Woo! Let's go! Woo! Yeah! Oh my God! Hit the other garage door, the top one. Oh my God! Let's go! All right, so high pressure fuel pump looking good. I got 14 volts. The garage is full of smoke. My foot's off the gas. It's up and going, boys! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Yeah! Dude, done. The more you gave it throttle, dude, it was like the RPMs were just going wah wah and hanging out at 500. Oh. That's when you stopped. I was like, keep going! Because it just wanted you. I don't know if it was like building compression back.
Dude, I don't know.
But dude, it sounds 100% normal now. Yes. Let's go, boys! Woo-hoo-hoo! Damn, it is fuming in here. I am feeling it.
I'm hot.
I am in danger. Guys, look, 14.2 volts of battery. Coolant temps are slowly rising. High pressure fuel pump's doing what it's got to do. Like nothing happened.
Yeah, this thing,
I have no idea, guys, what that was all about. I honestly,
no check engine light.
No check engine light, no battery light. It's holding 14.2 volts. Dude, I'm so confused. I have no idea.
Dude, I don't.
Well, is there any oil leaks on the ground? Well, let's get this sucker on the ground. Yeah. Keep letting it warm up, and then we'll go for like a little drive down the street. I gotta move it. I have to. That's what I'm talking about, brother.
God, dude.
Woohoo! Oh man, I am beyond excited, dude. All of those weeks of freaking misery, months. This car is giving me issues. Damn, boys, we're back. Damn, boy.
Runs like nothing happened.
Like nothing happened. Dude, that is the most confusing part of the whole thing. Like, it fired, I mean, minus the struggle of it starting. You guys seen I was showing the tack in the video. It was wanting to go, but it's never done it. So no. I don't know what was going on. I don't know if it was a fuel issue. I don't know, man. Like, that was awesome. What a freaking fight. We were just talking about it off camera. It's been 2 months since it died, and before that,
a month
for powder coating and all that other crap I was doing, and before that, it was like the one rip I did at 37 pounds, and then it was having breakup issues. So really, I haven't drove this car in like 3-4 months.
Yeah, since probably first of the year.
Oh my lord, dude. I just got to get the port injection hooked back up. I got to get the watt box hooked back up. And we're going to be back at it testing. And the next video, we are sanding it.
Floor it.
Floor it. Let's go, dude. Yo, huge shout out to all my boys, dude. Chris from MAZDASPEED, freaking Rodney at MAZDASPEED, dude, Justin at FREEKTUNE, the guys at Elysian Performance, Greg and Casey, dude, everybody that had a hand in it, just all you guys for hitting me up with recommendations. Like, I appreciate all of you so much. Without you guys, I wouldn't have the motivation to like keep going. Like, so many times I just wanted to like set my entire garage on fire. But
say we were one oily rag away from.
Yeah, we were close. Like Molotov cocktail into the garage. But I appreciate it, guys, for real. And we're gonna try to keep this thing running. And we got some things to iron out and some tuning to finish. And then we're hitting the rollers to figure out what this thing makes. Because I'm telling Justin to turn it up. Turn it up. We're gonna be full send on this thing, and I can't wait. Oh man. So
you need to beat this thing like it owes you money.
It does owe me money. It owes me. It owes me. Big. Big.
You got my money, man?
Yeah. Huge shout out to all our sponsors too. Edge Autosport, Damond, Justin at FREEKTUNE. You know, everybody that's had a hand in it, man. I appreciate it. All the support's freaking awesome. Oh, Ace Solutions Auto Parts. Dude, you guys are the shit. Sending me parts like that when I need it. I needed an alternator, boom, got you. I needed this, got you. Chris at MAZDASPEED, he had like literally everything overnighted. Sensors, ECUs, everything. Shane Michael for turning me on to that ForScan.
Yeah.
That program, that helped a lot. We were able to program a new ECU, now we know how to do that. That's sick, dude. It's so cool how the community comes together. Just look at it though. It's dirty, but it runs.
It runs.
It runs. That's freaking sweet, man. Oh man, I'm back, guys. I think I have two mufflers on the back and then a resonator mid-car. I think I'm getting rid of the resonator. I got 3-inch pipe.
Do it.
Like stainless. Cut that out. Let's turn the volume up, but not get raspy.
Oh Lord.
It's gonna be nice.
Oh Lord.
It's gonna be nice. Dude, I appreciate you guys so much. I appreciate you watching. Smash that like button. Hit subscribe if you haven't already. Turn the notification bell on because it's about to get real. Real.